So this is what it looks like in natural lighting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a full face on the Haley Beauty foundation, and I'll be showing you guys how I apply it, how much is worth, and all of that stuff. So stay tuned. Alrighty, now it says, I have my laptop right here, and it says that I have a 50% off right now, which is a pretty good deal, as their foundation is not very expensive. I believe it's only like, let me go see, hold on. It's $20. Now, the one that I'm going to be using is the Reform Liquid Luxe Foundation, and I have been using this on and off. It's very beautiful. Now, if you're a person like me that gets foundation stuck in between their nose area, like right here, or it just looks really cakey, this is one of the best foundations that I have to say that I have used. And they have a liquid matte foundation, one of the best foundations I have ever tried as well. Like, it just amazes me because like okay, like most of the drugstore foundations that I have tried, they are very they look kind of cakey. They're very light coverage. It just doesn't look very good on the skin. And with these, you would think they were high end. That's why I like them so much, and I can't stop talking about them. So the shade that I am is 2.15, fair with neutral tones for fair to light skin. It is an oil-free liquid foundation offering medium buildable coverage for natural healthy looking glow. Finish is aluminum. Foundation is liquid. Skin type, normal, combination, and oily. Alrighty, I'm just going to go get right into it and show you guys how I apply this. I'm going to apply the Milk Grip. This is like one of the best ever primers that you could use on your face. I highly recommend it. This is one of those really tacky kind of primers, so it will definitely stay on your skin all day. Alright, I'm going to be taking the Haley's foundation, and I'm going to be taking my Morphe E54 brush. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. What I'm just doing right here is that I'm just tapping it into the skin first, and then I go back over with it and then round it kind of out with the brush. It's a really like all natural kind of foundation. That's why I really like it. It's funny because the matte one didn't cling to my nose, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but the liquid one is clinging to my nose really badly, and I have no idea why. I just always have that problem every time, but the matte one didn't do that, so I have no idea. Alright, I'm going to finish up my makeup and I will be right back and show you guys the full look after I'm done with my makeup, and then I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like throughout the day, so stay tuned. Alrighty, hey guys, so I'm in the car with my mom right now. For some reason my eye just keeps watering for no reason, so that's why I didn't put on any lashes, and I didn't put on any lipstick either. I just didn't feel like wearing it, but my eye keeps watering, and I didn't put any eyeshadow at the bottom of my eye as well because I didn't want to irritate it even more and then ruin the whole look. I think it looks awesome. I'm a big fan of their foundations, but it's been on for like 30 minutes, so I can't really determine how well it's gonna be until like tonight, and then I'll let you guys know. I will be back. See you guys. Okay, so this is some better lighting right now that I'm showing you guys, because I was in the garage when I showed you guys the last clip. Whoa, it's so sunny out. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can make this darker. Okay, well, this is as dark as it's gonna get, but this is what the foundation looks like. I don't know if you guys can see, it's very bright outside. It doesn't match to my neck at all. It's actually way too dark, but it's a beautiful foundation. Maybe if they extend the foundation line, I will definitely get a lighter shade. But so far, I'm really, really liking it. Hey guys, I'm back. So it is now close to like 10 or 9 p.m. somewhere around there. I don't really have my phone on me, so this is what it looks like. I've had it on since 12, about like 10 hours or 9 hours or so. Look how I only got a little bit of oily, but it looks more dewy. Look how gorgeous this foundation is. It looks so well, like even after I've worn it all day. Yeah, my cheek is all red because I was just in the car and it's super hot, but it looks so good. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I am gonna go eat supper. It's like 10 o'clock. I ended up bullshitting too long, so we ended up just going to go pick up food. But thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.